Would you like to work from home and earn some money? Here are top 5 skills you need to learn in your 20s in order for you to work from home and make money online. If this is your first time watching my channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell to turn on notification so you get notified whenever we post a video. The first skill you want to learn is called digital marketing. Digital marketing is a combination of different skill sets such as social media advertising, Google advertising. Now, this skill set is one of the highest rated and is one of the skills needed in the industries today. Many small business owners are looking for digital marketers who will help them scale their business online, run ads for them that convert, and be able to get them more customers. As a digital marketer, there are no limits to how much you can be able to make online, depending on how good you are and who you are working for. Second one is called copywriting. There are many companies out there who need copywriters who will help them write their sales copy, their newsletters, their emails letters for them. So as a copywriter, you can make a minimum of $5 per copy, depending on your portfolio and how well you've been able to work. Third one is called programming. Many companies out there are looking for people who are skilled in front-end programming, back-end programming, and also Python programming. Depending on which skill set you learn, there are many and different courses out there that can be able to teach you how to be a good programmer, and you can make so much money depending on the contract and who you are working for. So programming is a good skill you need to learn in 2021, and you can also work from home. You can also work on website design. You can also create different web content out there for clients, and they are going to pay you handsomely for the services which you provide. The fourth one is called graphic design. You see, there are many people out there who are killing it out as a graphic designer. I first started as a graphic designer and I was able to make 1 million naira with just that skill set. I know of someone who charges 30,000 naira, that is $100 per design, and there are people who charges as high as $250 per design. So you can be a graphic designer. Also, as you learn graphic design, scale up and learn branding and also UI and UX design, because they are so much related as well. The fifth one is called video animation or video production. Okay, such as this animation you are watching, that is how many businesses will need animated video in order for them to create their ads in whichever platform they want to run ads. So here you go. Here are the 5 top skills you need to learn in order for you to make money working from home. If this is your first time visiting this channel and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe, share this video, give us a like, and then turn on post notification so that you don't miss out on any of our video. Thank you for watching this video.